Hi, Douglas Simonson here, coming to you from Mexico with a painting demonstration. Today I'm going to be doing a portrait in acrylic. I met Jhoss by chance a few months ago here in Puerto Vallarta and convinced him to come to my place in Cinco de Diciembre and model for me. I shot a lot of nudes of Jhoss that day, but the first painting I did of him turned out to be a portrait. This is the photo I started with. Then I zoomed in and cropped it and did some work in Photoshop to get to this. And then I did my usual Photoshop tweak to make it easier to paint from. So these are the two versions of the image that I'm going to be using as references while I paint. I used the tweaked version as a reference to transfer the big basic shapes of the image with pencil to canvas. And then it was time to paint. You're going to be seeing me cover the whole canvas with an acrylic wash. I wait for that to dry, and then I start painting. And here we go. And here is the finished painting, which I call Portrait of Jhoss 1. You can see it now on my website at douglassimonson.com. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching me paint and maybe picked up some tips. Please subscribe if you haven't already. That inspires me to do more videos. And if you got a little inspired watching me paint today, great! Put on your painting pants and go paint!